DJI is about to launch a brand new drone this month, the DJI Avata 360, and it could introduce something we've never seen before in FPV drones, a built-in 360-degree camera system. But if you're planning to buy a drone right now, here's the real question. Should you wait for the Avata 360 or just buy the DJI Neo 2 that's already available? Because these two drones are built for very different users. Design and flying experience. Let's start with how these drones are meant to fly. The Avata 360 is expected to follow DJI's FPV-style drone design. FPV drones focus on immersive flying, where pilots can feel like they are actually inside the drone while controlling it. With the addition of a 360-degree camera system, creators could record the entire environment during flight and later choose the best angle for their final video. That opens up a lot of creative possibilities, especially for cinematic drone footage. The Neo 2 takes a completely different approach. Instead of immersive FPV flying, the Neo 2 focuses on simplicity and portability. It's a small and lightweight drone designed for people who want quick aerial shots without needing advanced flying skills. So right away, the flying experience between these drones is very different. Camera and video. Now let's talk about the camera. The Avata 360 is expected to focus heavily on creative filming, especially with its rumored 360-degree camera. This type of camera allows creators to capture an entire scene and reframe their shots later. That could make it a powerful tool for cinematic videos. The Neo 2 keeps things simple but still very capable. It records smooth 4K video, which is more than enough for travel videos, social media content, and everyday aerial shots. So while the Avata 360 aims for advanced creative control, the Neo 2 focuses on easy and reliable video recording. Smart features. Another key difference is how these drones are designed to be controlled. The Neo 2 is built for beginners. It includes smart tracking, automatic flight modes, and simple controls that make it easy for almost anyone to start flying quickly. The Avata 360 will likely focus more on the FPV experience, especially when paired with DJI goggles and motion controllers that allow for a much more immersive way to fly. Final verdict. So which drone should you buy? If you want a small, beginner-friendly drone for travel, vlogging, or quick aerial shots, the DJI Neo 2 is a great choice right now. But if you're interested in cinematic FPV flying and creative 360-degree aerial footage, then the DJI Avata 360 might be worth waiting for when it launches later this month. Both drones are exciting, but they're designed for very different types of creators. For more quick tech comparisons and drone updates, subscribe to Smart Tech Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.